Okay.
So
We just got back to our hotel room and we dropped our bags. We went to 7-Eleven. I got a sandwich. She got prawns fried rice.
Right.
I got Thai milk tea. We had that. And then we went to 7-Eleven again.
because I am lactose intolerant.
So we were looking for some alt milk.
I'm bougie, okay.
We got chocolate pistachio. And what else? Tic Tac tha.
Okay, if you want a review in case. No, it was good. But
Pistachio.
pistachio का taste तो नहीं था उसमें.
हाँ, इसके लिए.
हाँ.
And then I got Cheetos. And now we will be. What are we doing? We're going to freshen up. And then we're going to plan our day. Okay, it's been a while since I last spoke. And we are now ready. We're ready. And now we're heading to. I keep forgetting.
No.
And now we're heading to Tiger Cave Temple. And this is the outfit. That's her outfit.
Not the final one.
Not the final one. And yeah.
You remember like such a basic outfit this woman wore. And her influencer friend has worn such a better outfit. Clearly it's
What?
the influencer.
Anyway, I don't know if we're allowed to shoot there or no. But
I'm sure we are.
wait, I'm going to show you a better angle for my outfit. That is the outfit. We basically need to wear something to cover our shoulders and knees for respect. And I'm gonna carry that shirt there. And Prerna's already worn her shirt. Just quickly want to mention, so we're in Krabi. It is the 27th of September. We're in Krabi for my 24th birthday. And yes, I just wanted to mention that. Huh? This is YouTube. Horizontal is YouTube.
Sorry.
We will try. We are on our way to Tiger Cave Temple. And first I got my daily outing.
No, daily survival.
No, like every time I step out, I'm getting Thai milk tea.
It's like mandatory.
This is my second Thai milk tea in less than 5 hours.
Actually, as soon as we've landed in Thailand, the first thing we have had is Thai milk tea. I wish I could have it. I have a complaint. Why doesn't Thailand make Thai milk tea in like other milk?
I think they probably do, but just not in 7-Eleven. We'll try somewhere else. We're not even here for 12 hours yet.
And
We're already complaining.
Yeah, and I'm already sad about leaving. I don't want to go.
I think this one is the best one I've had yet.
Like, look at the street. Arey bhai wo. Makeup is makeup, my god.
Makeup is makeuping because Prerna was Prernaing.
I should just leave everything and become a makeup artist.
You have one client for sure. For life.
I'll do your wedding makeup.
Do you see the lips?
Oh, you don't need this.
We need to go there. When they said steps, I thought steps. This is a vertical climb. We've come all the way from there. Are currently on our 1100 break. I can't record much because there are monkeys here and I don't want to risk losing my phone. That's Prerna's halat right now.
I'm dying.
That is the view. I don't know how much more we're left to cover, but we will make it. I will see you at the top.
मैं अभी सारे मैंने फोन में फेंक दूँ. YouTube का कंटेंट निकाल.
No, 783 done. 783 done. We can do it, Prerna. We can do it.
I
Chalo.
don't want to do it. Sorry. Cameraman's tired.
So, we did it.
Wow.
We went up. 1230, 1260 steps. We saw the view. I'll put up the clips that we shot of there. And now we got down 1260 steps, which was somehow more intense.
Oh God.
My legs are shivering.
Me too.
It's giving jelly. It's giving jelly. It's giving jellyfish.
It's giving Thai massage.
And
Desperation.
bye. Now that we can breathe without it feeling like fire, we went to Tiger Cave Temple, where we had to climb 1260 steps.
It sounds very easy, okay?
It sounds very easy, but it wasn't just normal stairs. It was almost a vertical incline, and it was steep, and it was almost like rock climbing. But the view was really good. I would say it's a do it once in your life thing if you come to Krabi. And somehow, surprisingly, coming back down was more difficult.
I found going up was hard for me. Coming down was better.
I felt like for some reason I just did not feel anything while going up. I wasn't even breathless.
I was dying while going up.
She was dying while going up, and I wasn't even breathless. I was like, huh?
While coming down, it was easy.
While coming down, I felt like my legs were like jellyfish.
My legs are still shaking.
Yeah, my legs are shaking.
Like,
So that
What is
was
our experience?
day one, and now we are headed to
the night market.
we're headed to Aonang
Oh,
night market. We're gonna fill our tummies because we're really hungry.
And me with my viral banana chocolate milk. For someone who's lactose intolerant, I'm very excited.
That's it for day one. Fourth 11, so 11, fourth 7-Eleven run of the day. We were back in the room after dinner at around 10.
And we had a big long discussion.
We had a big long discussion. We were dead tired.
हम paper
But then
लेके
somehow, हाँ, हम लोग पेपर लेके बैठ गए थे होटल रूम का, and हमने पूरा आइटनरी उसमें प्लान कर दिया था. And then somehow,
पहले करना चाहिए था.
चौथी बार बोल रही हूँ. And then somehow,
Sorry.
and then somehow, we ended up back in Aonang night market with yet another Thai milk tea. This is my third of the day.
Yeah.
Third Thai milk tea of the day. And now we're just roaming around, and we'll
Like the
be.
second one was the best, right?
The second one was the best.
And yes, we do look horrible right now from what we looked. We've had phases throughout the day. First we looked all pumped for the night, for the day, full excitement थी हमें. फिर वो हम 12 steps चढ़े. उसके बाद हालत खराब हो गई हमारी तरफ से, चल तरह से. अब थोड़ी सी
I feel like I'll end the video here, and I'll do daily videos.
daily update.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
Like single day ka videos.
Oh wow, that's
So that it'll be easier for me to edit as well, and for you guys to see as well.
that's like our recommendations. आज के लिए क्या
आज के लिए हम recommend करेंगे कि अगर आप में
दम है.
ये socks गीले हो गए.
कौन सॉक्स पहनने आता है भाई बारिश में?
I'm talking like this because I'm very conscious
For
and
what?
shy
And I'm not. I'm
filming in public, but
मैं तो हाथ उठा के फिल्म कर सकती हूँ. ठीक है. मैं कैमरा इधर ही लगा सकती
I second that. Anyway, I will be ending the video here, and then I will see you tomorrow. We have a very chill day planned,
हूँ. Very chill.
and
A fun day
it
one.
will have a lot of recommendations for chilling and shopping and
And we'll be blowing
everything in that.
and
Blowing
have
what?
Money.
Blowing our money and getting Thai milk and fruits and food.
And crab rice.
Anyway, we will see you tomorrow. Say bye.